China National Heavy-Duty Truck Group Limited Company, short for Sinotruk, is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. It's a major domestic heavy-duty truck production base and the cradle of our heavy-duty truck industry. On June 21st, and the warm reception of the dispatch manager, we visited the final assembly plant of Sinotruk Group, Jinan Truck Company, and entered the exhibition memorial hall and assembly workshop of Sinotruk. The manager told us the development history of Sinotruk and the innovative development of Sinotruk in recent years. After this visit, we are more convinced of the high quality of Sinotruk, and we are more confident in recommending Sinotruk heavy trucks to our customers.